Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Patke and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at the second day ODI which took place at the Kensington Oval in Barbados between India and West Indies. A comprehensive victory for the West Indies and quite a rude shock for Team India who was expected that it will stomp over the West Indian side. Unfortunately not to be, but credit to the West Indies. They played their hearts out and deserved the victory. India, I wouldn't say that they were flat, but we have to give credit to West Indies for thoroughly outplaying India in the second one day. West Indies won the toss and chose to bowl first. Ishan Kishan was the only Indian batsman to offer some kind of resistance, and he actually looked pretty good for his 55, a run ball 55, which included 6 boundaries and a six. But his wicket was taken by Romario Shepherd with Athanas taking a simple catch. Then it was all over. Shubman Gill also got the start, but unfortunately he hasn't been able to show his spark first in the Test series and now in the ODI series as well. 34 of 49, which included 5 boundaries. His wicket was taken by Gudakesh Moti, the left arm off spinner who bowled brilliantly. He used his pace and he knew the wicket beforehand because he used to play here, and he varied his trajectory pretty nicely. He bowled differently, he had different plans for different batsmen, and Alzari Joseph taking a simple catch. Sanju Samson, we will be disappointed. A great opportunity he missed out to impress the selectors. 9 of just 19 deliveries. Yannick Karia took his wicket. Excellent leg spinner West Indies have found, and Sanju Samson has to once again uh, work very hard. That is the only option because lots of people have expectation from him, and when he gets an opportunity, the competition in the team is such that he has to perform or perish. Akshar Patel was promoted in this game, but unfortunately that plan backfired big time. One of just 8 deliveries with Romario Shepherd taking the wicket outside edge, and Shai Hope taking a simple catch behind the wicket. Hardik Pandya also very disappointed. 7 of 14 deliveries. Jayden Seals took his wicket with Brendan King taking a fine catch in the covers. Um, so Surya Kumar Yadav also had a brilliant chance to knock off the reputation that he isn't a good ODI batsman, but he squandered it as well. 24 of 25 deliveries with 3 boundaries. Gudakesh Moti accounting for his wicket once again. Um, Ravindra Jadeja scored 10 of 21 deliveries. All the batsmen got starts, but unfortunately nobody was able to kick on. His wicket was taken by Romario Shepherd as well, who bowled excellent line and length, back of length particularly, and his speed is always 140 plus, so that is an added advantage. And Indian batsmen were taken by surprise. Kuldeep Yadav was not out on 8 of 23 deliveries, just a solitary boundary. Umran Malik was out for a duck. Alzari Joseph accounted for his wicket with Carter taking a catch, and Mukesh Kumar hit a solitary boundary in his six. Gudakesh Moti taking his wicket. 3 wickets for Gudakesh Moti. Excellent bowling, as I said a few moments ago, with Shimron Hetmare taking a simple catch at short covers. So India were bundled out for 181 in just 40.5 overs. They couldn't even finish their quota of 50 overs. So that is quite an unfortunate batting performance with 11 extras. Kylie Mares bowled brilliantly, but he was unfortunate not to get a wicket. He swung the ball both ways, but Ishan Kishan actually kept him at bay. 5 overs, 18 runs, no wickets. Jayden Seals in 6 overs, he gave away 28 runs, took 1 wicket. Alzari Joseph, 7 overs, 35 runs, 2 wickets. Gudakesh Moti, as I said, wonderful find for the West Indies, and he was injured, so West Indies lost quite a few bit of matches due to his injury. But he has just made a terrific comeback. But I feel for Akil Hussain though, only one of the two can play, but Gudakesh Moti is a fantastic find nonetheless. That is a good headache for West Indian selectors to have, whether to select Akil Hussain or Gudakesh Moti. 9.5 overs, 36 runs, 3 wickets. Romario Shepherd in 8 overs, he bowled 1 maiden, 37 runs, 3 wickets. Once again, excellent. And Karia in 5 overs, 25 runs, he took the wicket of Sanju Samson. Chasing a modest target of 182, West Indies just romped through the target. Although at one stage India looked poised for a comeback, 4 wickets fell. But after that, Carty and Shai Hope just knocked the wind out of sails of the Indian bowlers, and terrific performance from Shai Hope. He was rightfully adjudged the man of the match for his not out 63 of 80 deliveries, which included 2 boundaries and 2 6. Now we have to take into consideration that 4 wickets were already fallen for the West Indies. but still, along with Carty, the less experienced batsman, he made sure that West Indies didn't look out of sorts, and he took the Windies home for a famous victory. Brendan King scored 15 of 23 deliveries, which included 3 boundary. He was LBW of a terrific in-swinging delivery of Shardul Thakur. Myers scores 36 of 28 deliveries, which included 4 boundaries and a couple of sixes. He looked poised for a big innings, but Lord Thakur once again with his golden arm, he has made a habit of this over the years, with Umran Malik taking a simple catch at short fine leg. Athanas were out for 6. His wicket was also taken by Shardul Thakur, a terrific outswinger after setting him up with couple of in-swingers. Hope was not out of 63 of 80, and Hetmeyer was undone by a beautiful googly by Kuldeep Yadav, 9 of 15 deliveries, and Carty actually rotated the strike pretty well. He was an unknown commodity for the Indian team, but yeah, now everyone will start taking notice. 48 of 65 deliveries, which included 4 boundaries. 5 extras were considered by Team India. 182 for 4 in 36.4 over. West Indies romped home by 6 wickets with 80 ball left. Mukesh Kumar, he was wicketless. In 3 overs, he gave away 17 runs. Hardik Pandya was also taken to the cleaners by Shai Hope in particular. 6.4 overs, 38 runs, no wickets. Malik was smashed all around the park by Kylie Mears and Umran Malik in that 1 over by Kyle Mears, I beg your pardon. 3 overs, 27 runs. Shardul Thakur, 8 overs, 42 runs, 3 wickets. Only the bright light for India in this match. Kuldeep Yadav in 8 overs gave away 30 runs and took 1 wicket. Ravindra Jadeja was wicketless, but it was a tactical plan by both the West Indian batsmen Carty as well as Hope to not give Jadeja any wickets. 6 over 24 runs, no wicket, and Akshar Patel just bowled 2 overs, a singular maiden with 4 runs, and he also couldn't get a dismissal. So, all in all, a fantastic performance by Shai Hope, fantastic performance by the West Indies, and it all sets up nicely for the third ODI. Which is going to be the decider. So how did you like my analysis of the second one there? Please tell me in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. We'll meet in the next video. Till then everyone, bye, and I'm humbly requesting to you all once again, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.